Take me no wind, this cat nigga can't even see me on wind. She fight a flight, nigga win this cat. She fight a flight, man, on way out of here.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if this is the start or the in the middle or whatever, but I'm at the pool today and we vibing today. We vibing. So I got off pretty early and I've been skating for a really long time, like almost 2 hours, and then I was like, it's still hot, so I'm gonna go to the pool. So that's what we're doing right now. What will this vlog insist of? I don't really know, y'all. I don't, but I did know that I wanted to show y'all I was at the pool. Oh, it looks so nice, bro. And then they got the music playing in the back. Hello. Oh, we a little bougie with the music. They got like the little speakers. Oh, can y'all see it? It won't zoom, but just know the speakers are over there. But I literally have been on the phone with Emerson for forever. But I'm about to go swim. But I'll tell the story about Emerson and me hanging out on the phone for like an hour and some change in a second. All right, I'm about to come over here to my chicken. Cause okay, so it's hot outside, but the pool cold AF, bro. Oh my god. Y'all see my toes? Yep, they done. Y'all see that? Cute. Hopefully y'all can see me in this good lighting, cause I can't really see, cause you know when it's hot outside, your phone be dim. But I was like, while I'm waiting to like get comfortable with the pool, I'm about to just vlog. Bruh, why me and Emerson was on the phone, right? Well, she called me, so we was on the phone for a little bit, just chatting it up, you know, going through our life spiel. Cause like every once in a while we'll call each other and talk about what's been going on with life. So she just telling me about school and then looking for apartments. So I'm skating outside, right? So I decided to go to this neighborhood that I've never skated to. So I'm skating, and then I realized I don't know how to get home. So why did I tell Emerson? I said, Emerson, can you figure out where I'm at and get me home? She navigated me home. I definitely got home. She navigated me home. I was like, thank God, bro. Because I didn't feel like pulling out my phone because my phone was in my pocket, but it was like my Dickies pants. They're not like tight, but they're not tight or anything. They're like pretty loose, but I didn't feel like getting them out of my pocket while I'm skating and then just like stopping or whatever. I just wanted to keep skating. So I asked her to do that for me. And she was telling me the way to go, but honestly, I didn't listen. And I was like, oh, there's a hill. Yeah, I was like, oh, there's a hill. I want to go down the hill. So that's what I did. And then I was lost again, so I had to ask her again. But it was like funny as fuck, because I was like, Emerson not even here, but she got to help me navigate to get home. But I was supposed to clean up yesterday because I was off, but I didn't. So I need to honestly go clean the car out. I think I'm just gonna vacuum it and then, well, basically clean it out, but I'm gonna vacuum and get all the stuff out of it. So we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna cook dinner, but I'm also gonna prep for dinner tomorrow because I have to work late tomorrow. And yeah, I have to work late tomorrow, so I'm gonna make sure I clean up. It's honestly really hot out here, bro. It's 88 degrees, but I think it's feeling like it's 100. It really feels like it's 100. But I don't know, but I'm about to put my phone back. Oh, here go the music. So let me put my phone down. I'll see y'all in a few. All right, y'all, we at the next spot. I'm gonna be going from up this hill all the way down there. There's cars and stuff that be coming over here, but I want to try this hill out. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then after this, I'm just gonna skate around. I just want to document this, so that's why I am recording. And if I'm documenting it, I might as well put it in the vlog. Please don't run over my skateboard. All right, hopefully y'all can see everything. I pray. Pray. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't as scary as I thought it was gonna be. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and skate. Some more. I'm gonna put my phone up because it is overheating. So I'll see y'all when I get in the house. So I'm finally making the chicken burgers. So what I did this time was I blended it in my blender, just the chicken by itself, but I put peppers and onions in here, and then I'll show y'all the seasoning I used. And then I got this new seasoning from Aldi, but it smells like barbecue sauce, right, babe? Like a smoky barbecue. And then I added onion powder and then black pepper, and I added some chili pepper just so it could be spicy because I like spicy stuff. And then what else did I put in here? And then I put garlic paste in here. Usually I'll chop the garlic up because I kind of like biting into it sometimes in a burger. But I didn't buy garlic. I just bought garlic paste, so that's what we did. So now I'm about to make these into little patty forms and start cooking them on the stove. And then I have some onions that I'm going to be grilling. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like before I do everything. All right, y'all see my hand, but hold on. All right, now what I'm doing is I took them out of this bowl and put it on this parchment paper with oil, and I'm just like pressing it out to like form a patty. So when I cook it, because it's gonna shrink up some, which is fine, but I'm trying to press it all out to where it's like the same thickness throughout the whole burger. So when I cook it, it cooks evenly. That's basically with everything though that you be cooking. You want to make sure it's like all even. So when you cook it, one side not raw and the other side done. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm probably going to put it in the fridge for a little bit so it can cool, and then I'm gonna cook it. But yeah, this is literally all I'm doing. Let me show you. Yeah, start off like that, and I kind of just try to put it back together too, because since it got like onions and peppers in it, it kind of trying to like go, yeah, like that. And I'll be back when I finish cooking them so y'all can see like what it looks like when it's finally done. All right, y'all, so the burgers are done. This is what they look like. You can kind of see them. Right. All right, there you go. You can see them. Yeah, they look juicy. Y'all see the juices coming off. Yeah. And then we got the caramelized onions right here. It's about to go down. I'm about to eat. Let me wipe y'all off again. Hold on. Y'all been dirty today. I put honey barbecue sauce, mustard, and then I put pepper jack cheese, and I have onions under this with a delicious bun. Oh my god. And with a soda drink. Oh my goodness gracious. What is up, y'all? So, in this vlog, we need to get ready to go to Houston, right? I think I told y'all that I was going to Houston to go see my fam band. We're gonna be lit, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna do all that good stuff. But I do need to start packing. I leave, today is, I think, Thursday. I leave next week on Wednesday, but I also work I work this whole week. So I work the rest of the week. So today is like literally my only day I can pack. But mind you, since I have to pack, I have to wash a few loads of clothes. One load just finished up, so I will be, hold on, let me turn my, hold on, y'all, let me put y'all down for a second. Hold on, all right, I'm back. But what was I saying? I had to turn the mirror back around because we slept out here last night, so we watched TV and we did other things of that nature and just hung out really. But back to what I was saying. I'm washing one load right now, and it's actually done. But I have a lot of clothes to fold. I'm gonna fold the clothes that's in the dryer. Then I'm gonna put the clothes that's in the washing machine in the dryer. After I'm done folding those clothes, those should be done. Cause it's like only a few, it's only like a few pieces of clothes. And then I'm gonna throw some of the clothes that have just been in that basket for, it hasn't been in there for a long time, but it's just been sitting there and it's gonna be like super wrinkly. I am going to throw them back in the dryer, let them go for a little bit. Cause I think I only have to do like 3 loads, wash 3 loads of clothes, but I have to fold like 6 loads of clothes. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for all the bangers that we're gonna be dropping while I'm in Houston. I will be recording, but I'm not gonna be recording that much just because I wanna spend time with my family. And yeah, but you know, I vlog, so I'll be vlogging some stuff, but I might do like a video or 2 there. I don't really know yet. I'm kind of just going with the vibe, but I know I'll be vlogging my luggage and stuff after I'm done packing. But since I told y'all what was going on, we're gonna get the day started. I am going to start cleaning and getting all that stuff together, and I will see you guys in a few. I will be keeping this bonnet on all day. Majority of the vlog, well, not majority of the vlog, but some of the vlog you will see this bonnet on my head because I need to do my hair. I took my braids out, so I'm gonna do some twists and then braid it again. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a few. I'm gonna stop yapping because I really have to get to what I'm doing because I do have to work today. So I need to hurry up and get everything together. I will see y'all later. Y'all, Jazz coming making pasta. This is done, so I'm gonna take this off. Got the dishwasher going, right. Walk with me. Take this off, walk with me. This is done. Oh, I was gonna open the door. Got clothes in here. These are done. They fluffed. They're fluffed. Oh, it do smell like lemon, Jess. I put essential oil on this like little ball thing that she has. It smell like lemon. Now do the clothes smell like lemon though? Oh yeah, they do. Just like a little bit. Like not too crazy. Yeah, just a hint. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when the pasta when I get it done. I know it's really loud in here, but this is our salmon Alfredo. The salmon is like mixed in. But yeah, y'all see it? Got a little flavor to it. Y'all see the seasoning? I know that dishwasher is loud. It's still not done yet. But I'm about to grub, and then we're going to get back to packing. Y'all, before I start packing, I just want y'all to know and see that Jasmine folded all the clothes, and I didn't fold anything. So everybody drop down in the comments. Shout out Jazz for folding all my clothes so I can pack because I'm procrastinating. What is up, y'all? The day has finally come. Well, the day before the day has finally come. But I just need to pack a few more things. Y'all, why my cycle come on when it's time to go? But it's okay, because my cycle only lasts like 4 days. I'm on my 2nd day right now, so I'm gonna be good. I'm still gonna be outside. I just hurt my foot, and I don't know what I just did. But like, what is going on? Like, today's gonna be a good day though. I'm gonna say that today's gonna be an amazing day. But I did want to come on here real quick and talk to y'all because I don't even think I told y'all where I was going yet. So I think I did, but I don't really know. But I'm going to Houston, so I have to get on 2 flights to get there because it wasn't any non-stop flights when I was booking. Well, it was, but they were like $500, $600. I'm not paying that. I'll be honest. It took me a minute to even get there. I'm not paying $400, $500, $600. I'm not. My ticket was like $270 or whatever, and I'm gonna be on American Airlines. But anywho, I'm finally seeing my family. It's been a year since I seen my mom, and then it's been like 4 years since I seen my brother and my sister. So I haven't seen their kids. Like, I've literally seen their kids grow up on social media, and I don't even think my sister wasn't even like pregnant. She wasn't even pregnant the last time I saw her. Now she got 2 kids. Oh my God. Like, it's a lot. But we're going to go see them. I'm super excited. I'm going to be there for like 4 days. So that's really good We're gonna get to hang out, chill. Yeah, I'm super excited though. I gotta work today, so I'm honestly on the way to work right now. I was like, while I'm on the way to work, let me go ahead and talk to my people and tell them what's going on. They switch out a few items in my suitcase, not a lot, but I need to pack my shoes today. I need to make sure my wallet in there. I got my toothbrush and toothpaste. I can like, first of all, this is my family. I already know they got lotion and body wash. I'm not paying for that. It's gonna be for the free on their accord. Yes. Oh, I need to plan my airport outfit. But it's gonna be hot in Houston, but I think I'm still gonna wear like sweatpants and a sweater to the airport, because this is like, that's what you gotta do. But I'm about to keep heading to work. I will reach back out with y'all tonight, or whenever I get back to the house, and then we're gonna finish packing together, and then we're gonna head to the airport. I have to be at the airport at 5 o'clock, so let's see how this goes. Yeah, I've been back home for a while, but I finished packing. I got everything in here, so we are going to go to sleep and head to the airport at 3:30 in the morning. I'm tired, so I'm going to bed, but I wanted to show that I'm done packing. I just got to put some shorts and some more bras in there, which are in the dryer. Not the dryer, they're in the washing machine. I actually need to change them out. Jasmine sleep, that's why I'm whispering, but I'll see you guys in the morning when we head to the airport. I just want everybody to know, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I'm here. Fuck. Alright, y'all, so we made it through TSA. And now I am headed to my mother freaking gate. I think it's C21. But yeah, I'm down the line, boy. I gotta keep walking. At least I got here on time, boy. I didn't have to check no bag in, so that's perfect. I'm really excited though, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully I can go to sleep on this plane, because it'll be like an hour and 30 minutes, I think. But that's not too bad though. It's not too bad. I'm honestly debating if I want to get a snack or not. Ooh, let me get on this bit. Let me not walk. But yeah, I'm honestly debating if I want to get a snack or not, but I don't really know. I think I'm going to start my other vlog, honestly. So I'm going to catch y'all in the next vlog. We successfully made it to the airport. Now let's successfully make it to this gate. I gotta walk a minute. Ooh, baby, it's getting me in the back of the bus. Ooh, baby. I made it.